Hello all. Before we begin the video, let's discuss CloudFoundation. CloudFoundation is the premier online training platform to help individuals and organizations gain knowledge and skills in the ever-growing cloud computing industry.
Which is coming. Okay. So if you want to reshuffle the sequence, you want to make the preferred name after salutation, then the first name. Then that sequence also can be reshuffled from the managed business configuration. Okay. Then the visibility. So you have activated the field, but you want to hide the visibility. So field is activated. This field is activated, but you are hiding the field, so that is called as a visibility. Okay. We have already seen in the XML, right? Visibility equal to none. Both we have already seen. Right. So that we can do it from the managed business configuration for employee-related fields. Okay. Setting the fields to required mandatory. Setting the field to required mandatory. You can see. Right. If it is mandatory or not, you will have a star mark. Right. So when I go back here, I will go to personal information. Let me take some random date. You can see these fields which is showing here. Can you see the field, the star mark? Salutation. First name, last name. There are certain mandatory options are showing here. Right. So that is called as a required or mandatory. Setting the field as a required or mandatory. That can also be controlled from the managed business configuration. Okay. Adding a custom field. So now, if you want to add a custom field here. Okay. If you want to add a custom field here, okay. So that is also possible. Apart from the standard field, if you want to create a custom field, that is also possible. You have the succession data, succession and the BCUI. BCUI what it says. BCUI specifies the succession and the context. Specific succession data model must be configured in the XML. In the provisioning system and uploaded. Then only we can use the BCUI. So what it says, if you have the succession data model and the context, specific succession data model configured in the XML in the provisioning, then only we can use the BCUI. Without that we cannot able to use the BCUI. Okay. So that is required, that both the data models has to be imported and uploaded from the back-end system. Okay, then BCUI is not a replacement for all XML configuration, but rather a way for customers to independently make minor changes to the configuration. Okay. Got it. So BCUI is not a replacement. So now you have a tool that is in the front end. Manage business configuration. It doesn't mean that if this tool is there in the front end, so there is no requirement of XML. XML is there. Data model is there in the back end. Because of that, only the managed business configuration will work in the front end. Okay. And also whatever changes we are making here, that will be automatically updated in the XML because both are synchronized to each other. Okay. Is it clear? Any questions? Okay. So now it was an overview. What is a business? What is a management configuration? What is the purpose? What is the use? How we are using it? Now to access this tool from the front end. First of all, we have to enable this tool from the provisioning. So in the provisioning there is an option called Enable Business Configuration in Admin Mode. This option will be available in the provisioning. I cannot show you the provisioning right now. But in the provisioning we will be having this option. Okay. So this option will help us. So you need to enable this option. Okay. So, once you enable this option, that is the first step. Okay. Second step is that you have to come down to the instance. Instance means what? Front-end system. So when you come into the instance, we have not started RBP. But when you come into the instance, you have to come to the permission role. So let me show you that also. So we have a RBP tool. Manage permission roles. Okay. Now, so don't get confused because we have not started this topic. I will explain to you later. Okay. I'm going into the system admin. After enabling that permissions from the provisioning, you have to come here in the instance, go to the permission role. And come to the administrative permission. And here just search for Manage Business Configuration. Can you see here? Manage Business Configuration. Yeah. This option. Why this option is coming? Because we have first of all enabled it from the provisioning. Okay. You may also experience a situation when you are coming into the front end. If this option is not there, then you can assume that is it enabled from the provisioning or not. So you need to log in into the provisioning and check points. Okay. So once it is enabled here, then we can go here and we can able to give the necessary permissions. So under Manage Business Configuration, we have a lot of things are there, a lot of features are there. That is background element, custom filter, dynamic group filter, employee profile standard, all the standard ones, all these things we need to enable it from here. Once it has been enabled, okay for this particular role. Then what you need to do? You have to come back and we can directly search for Manage Business Configuration. Okay. We can search for Manage Business Configuration. Before going to Manage Business Configuration, so, after enabling the thing from the provisioning and then further from the instance, what we need to do? You have to go into the BCY screen, and BCY screen is again divided into two parts, that is, Employee Central and the Employee Profile. Okay. So Employee Central, what it says in this section. So BCY screen is divided into two parts, EC and EP, Employee Central and Employee Profile. Okay. So Employee Central, what it says. In this section we can find the his elements that are shown in the past line information, job information. So his element is what it is, nothing but this one. When you go here, can you see these portlets? Past line information. Can you see? This is biographic information, national PID, right? If you go here into job information, okay, these portlets are nothing but the his element. Got it? Whichever portlet you are seeing, that is the his element in Manage Business Configuration. Okay. So that only it is saying in this section. We can find in this section under Employee Central and from where it is coming, which is under Manage Business Configuration. Correct. So that it is saying Employee Profile, what it says. Yeah, Employee Profile, what it says. In this section we have two elements, standard element and a user info element.
And finally, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.